You can see here asphalt binder. They put asphalt binder here, and here you can see exterior blocking, 3/4. Here at the entry, there's still steel structure, and pour concrete. Here you can see exterior framing. You can see the space, gauge. It'll start framing. You can see they install the plastic. You can see made in USA, that reinforced wire, and you can see here the horizontal reinforcement here and there. Okay, here you can see that's diamond. Framing at the top, expansion board, control joint. That's the plywood. You can see 3/4 plywood, 3/4 plywood. Here, ready for sheetrock. You can see sheetrock. 5/8 fire shield, fire 8, 5/8. They start the sheetrock at the top, so they cover the building, make sure it is warm. And here you can see header. And here you can see the electrician. Here, that's the sheetrock would be here. You can see here, sheetrock will hit that flat. Duct work. You can see they hit the frame too. Sheetrock, ductwork, they hung sheetrock. Okay, so here you can see the important thing to cover and put a plastic sheet to seal the building. Sheetrock, metal stud framing. Fire rated 2x6. Ductwork, sheetrock for moisture barrier for bathrooms. You can see they use it here, and they use it here at the entry. You can see the low part here. You can see header. They built that wall. Block with I-beam. They did support 2x8 regular, and here pressure treated, and at the top regular. See those pressure treated 2 pieces, and that's regular. Maybe that's for signage. Here again you can see 2x6 horizontal support all the way up. That's for exterior walls, but for interior there's here There is this support here and there. You can see that support here and there because that is high. Only in that wall above that big opening, you know, that's a big opening. They make it more than one piece. You can see more than one piece. That's opening for the ceiling. And here you can see the header. You can see king and jack. You can see king and jack. Here and here. Different kind. Here you can see plumbing in wall. All the plumbing, good measurement in the wall. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe. We'll upload more videos about construction work. Thank you guys, bye.